Hello and welcome to our Phillips 66 Lubricants e-commerce instructional videos. This video's purpose is to show you around the e-commerce store and show you how to search items, find what you're looking for, and add them to your cart. So we'll get right to it. We've got our main menu up here, main menu item, which are our brands, 76, Conoco, Kendall, Phillips 66, all of the brands, and then our clearance items, obviously. And as we go through these, we can see that we have our subcategories: branded merchandise, signage and more, sales brochures, floor mats and static clings, and trade show items. So that's going to be the same in all of our brands, depending on what you want to search for. Beyond the main menu, we've got our open search item here, where we can put in, let's put in shirt, and it's a smart search, so you'll see some of the shirts show up, some of the most popular shirts in our store, where you can see those show up. We've got some the large promotional banners here. We'll be changing these out from time to time as we have different promotions, as well as the 3 boxes beneath there. When we have special promotions, they'll show up here in these boxes. In any of these banners, you'll be able to click the action button there, and it'll take us to the trade show items. There we go. On all of our pages, this is a neat feature to be able to use. It's going to show us where we are at all times. So we're in Home, All, and Trade Shows. So we can see over here we've got all items and trade shows. We're showing all brands and the trade show items. So we go through there and we can page through at the bottom to find our different items. We'll go back to the home page. We'll click our logo up here in the upper left hand corner to go back to our home page at all times. As we go down the home page, you can see that we've got on sale items here that we'll be changing out again. Also from time to time, we can do a quick view there, so we don't have to go into the detail page. We can see, some of the items, a little bit larger picture of that. We can go through our sale items up here in the upper right. I'll take you through that too in another video. Down here at the bottom, we have our brand logos. That will also take us to all of the 76 items. We'll go ahead and click 76, and you can see we've got our main subcategories here: branded merchandise, signage and more, sales brochures, floor mats, static clings, and trade shows. Also, as we go through this, since we're in all of the 76 items, we've got a neat thing over here, the product filters. We can open and close those, as you can see, if you want to see more at the same time. And the filters are going to filter the items within one of the subcategories. So we're in product filters and apparel. If we click t-shirts, it's going to show us just the t-shirts in those items. And as we go, we're going to go to a larger category here, and we can turn that off, and it's going to show us all of those items again. So we can see we can go to any of those pages, and let's go ahead and click one of these pins. Here's a 76 lubricants pin. Now when we're on the detail page, to be able to add one of these to the cart, as you can see up here, our cart is empty right now, and we're actually not even signed in yet. So let's go ahead and sign in as our user. And we set this up in the first video, and we're going to use demo at p66.com and our password. I'm going to go ahead and have it remember me. I can click that, and we'll go ahead and sign in. And what this is going to show when it signs in, you can see up here you've been successfully logged in. And if I had items in my cart before, my cart is still empty, but you can see it's still empty. And in my account, we're signed in as Phillips 66 that we set up in the first video. And I'm going to add one of these items to the cart. There we go. It's as easy as that. Now on this, before this box is going to go away, I had the chance to either go ahead and check out with one item entered to my cart. You can see it's right here. If we want to remove it, we can remove it right there, or we can proceed to checkout. Let's go ahead and add another item to the cart. Search for hat. Oh, there's a decal. It's going to take us to that, straight to that page. And I'm going to go ahead and add this to the cart as well. I'm going to add, this is how we do the quantity. We'll add 2 of those. We'll add to cart. All right, let's go ahead and view our cart from here. It's going to take us to our cart. And there we are. We can see that we've got 2 items added there. If we want to take that down to 1 item, there we go. Or if we want to remove one of these items, we can remove it. We've got the chance here for shipping costs to go ahead and calculate. We can do that after we check out, or we can see what it would be right now. We'll go ahead and get rates. That's already in our profile that we set up. And we'll go ahead and get rates. It's going to show us, look, I guess we'll do the FedEx Ground for this one. It's going to add that to the order, and we will select that shipping method. And it's going to show us what our FedEx Ground shipping is right there and our total cost. And that's how you add the items to the cart. So we'll go back to our home page here. We can always still see that we've got our 2 items in our cart. And let's go ahead and check out now. All right, it's going to take us to, we're signed in as Philip66. It's going to have all of our profile items that we set up in the first video, and those show up since we're signed in up here at the top. You can see as Philip66. If we weren't yet signed in, it would have asked us to sign in. And are the shipping and billing address the same? If they're not the same, you'll go ahead and click no, and it's going to pull up your same information pre-filled with all of your information. You can change any of that how you want. For this demo, we're going to go ahead and say yes and continue. And it's going to take us to the next process. And since we already chose our shipping options, you'll see that that should be already filled in for us. Yes, FedEx Ground 666 or 661, excuse me. We can leave a little message on the order that's going to be placed with our order. I'd like to order these items. That's not necessary, of course, but we'll go ahead and do it for the demo. Continue. And that is placing that order. We can see all of the order details as it's processing over here on the right. We've got 2 items, the shipping, the billing address and shipping address, and our shipping items. Now, when we get to the billing option, this is the last step. We're on credit card right now, and there's other payment options. Our other payment options is actually going to show us that if we weren't going to do a credit card order, we could call between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Central. We could call this number and do our order by phone. For the demo, we're going to do the credit card order. And I'm actually not going to add in credit card information in the demo. But what's going to happen once I do, we'd add our credit card number right here, our CVC number, the little 3-digit number on the back of your card, your valid through, the month and the year, and your cardholder name here. And we would click submit our order, and that's going to submit our order. And what's going to happen after you submit your order is you're going to get an email with the order details to show you that you place your order, and it's going to have a link where you can come back to your account that we're going to show you in another video where you'll be able to see your orders here and track your orders, and it'll give you all of your tracking information. So that is how we find different items on the website and add them to our cart and go through the checkout process. So hope you have a chance to come back and look at some of the other videos. We're going to do a video for some of the other cool features that we've got to enhance the shopping experience, and we hope you have a chance to watch. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.